when you come take your test. So this is chapter 16 homework that's going to be due. The first one is what causes these things, rainbows, halos, coronas, glories, and sundogs. And again, it's kind of like, what sort of particle is it? So we talked about that tonight. You should do fine with that. And then I really like this. Is this not cool? Remember, it's the scary drawing of the little person in the big liquid water droplet. So you're supposed to say what's happening with each one of those. And they actually, 1 through 5, give you 5 terms to fill in the blank. So that's kind of fun. I think that actually number 2, you don't need to use complete sentences. 4, you do need to use complete sentences. So 4, I went ahead and brought this in. Basically, this is what it's asking about. It says, explain why the refraction of the sun changes the length of daylights, or the length of hours that we see daylight. So basically, when the sun is really set, we see it up here. So we see sunlight after the sun is set. Okay, so kind of explain that. Number 5, my hints for number 5 was they give you some information that kind of is not, who cares, right? Basically, they say Lincoln, Nebraska should have rainbows. I don't see why not. June 21st, they should have rainbows. But the criteria that says you should not have rainbows at noon, right? Because the sun has to be low on the horizon. So that's your hint for there. And then number 6, these 3 pretty pictures, A, B, and C, say what they are. So, I mean, I'd call that a halo, right? And I'd call that a corona. That's a little better picture of a corona. And there's a rainbow. That looks like it's been photoshopped, but probably hasn't. Okay.